To open an HDFC Bank Zero Balance account, you need to follow a simple step-by-step process. First, you have to decide which type of zero balance account you want to open. As HDFC Bank offers various options such as savings accounts, salary accounts, and student accounts. Once you have chosen the type of account, you can start the account opening process either online or by visiting a nearby HDFC Bank branch. If you prefer the online method, you can visit the HDFC Bank official website and click on the account opening section. You will be required to fill in your personal and contact details. And then you will receive a call from the bank representative to proceed further. If you prefer to visit the bank branch, you can locate the nearest HDFC Bank branch and visit it during working hours. You will be required to meet a bank representative who will guide you through the account opening process. In both cases, you will be required to provide your identity proof, address proof, and a passport-sized photograph. The commonly accepted documents for identity proof include Aadhaar card, passport, and voter ID card, while address proof can be provided through Aadhaar card, utility bills, and rent agreement. After submitting the required documents, you will be required to fill and sign the account opening form. The form will include your personal and account details, and you must ensure that all the information provided is accurate and complete. Once the account opening form is submitted, the bank representative will verify your documents and process your account opening request. You will receive your account details and debit card within a few days, and you can start using your zero balance account immediately. It is essential to note that HDFC Bank zero balance accounts have certain terms and conditions, and you must be aware of these before opening the account. You can visit the HDFC Bank official website or consult a bank representative to know more about the account features and benefits. By following these simple steps, you can easily open an HDFC Bank zero balance account and enjoy the benefits of having a bank account without maintaining a minimum balance.